I bet you didn't know Dr. Tedros, Director General of the World Health Organization, deeply appreciates Prince Harry's humanitarian work, as he put it. When we come together with open hearts and a shared vision, there is no limit to the good we can achieve. Compassion is not just a feeling, it is a call to action. These words guided a remarkable meeting at Imperial College. The campus, renowned for its innovation and discovery, provided the perfect backdrop for a meaningful exchange. I have deep admiration for the Duke's humanitarian spirit and his drive to make a difference in the world, especially for those suffering in conflict settings. Our meeting was not about titles or positions, but about a shared commitment to action and compassion. Prince Harry's dedication to alleviating suffering is truly inspiring. I am particularly grateful for the commitment he and his Archewell Foundation have shown towards the World Health Organization's work. Their support has been vital in our efforts to evacuate patients from Gaza who need life-saving care outside of the war-ravaged Strip. Meeting at Imperial College was a symbol of hope and partnership, where empathy and determination came together for a greater cause. The environment was filled with purpose, as we discussed ways to support those most in need. Our focus was on people, beyond borders and politics, working together to bring relief and hope. Every discussion centered on one question: how can we help those who are suffering the most? This meeting was a quiet but powerful promise to act, to serve, and to bring light to those in need. With Prince Harry and the Archewell Foundation's support, we are turning compassion into real, tangible results for the people of Gaza. Together, we are committed to putting kindness into motion, inspiring others to join us in building a healthier, more compassionate world. During their meeting, Dr. Tedros expressed deep admiration for Prince Harry's humanitarian spirit. This wasn't just courtesy, it was recognition of Harry's relentless drive to make a difference. Prince Harry's compassion is authentic, rooted in years of service from Lesotho to the Invictus Games. He connects with people personally, seeing individuals, not statistics. Dr. Tedros applauded this rare empathy and vulnerability. Harry's strength is his willingness to feel, to advocate, and to act for those forgotten. In a cynical world, this kind of leadership is uplifting. It proves that kindness and passion can ignite real change. Prince Harry's journey shows anyone can choose service, no matter their background. Use your voice to amplify others, and you create a legacy of compassion. Dr. Tedros's words validated this path. One person's passion can spark a movement, and that's exactly what we witnessed in this meeting. To truly grasp the importance of this partnership, we must look beyond headlines and statistics. Look to Gaza, a place where daily life is a struggle for survival, where families navigate shattered streets and uncertainty is a constant companion. Years of conflict have pushed the healthcare system to the very brink. Hospitals are overwhelmed, supplies are desperately scarce, and medical staff are stretched to their limits. For many, even the most basic medical care is out of reach, leaving vulnerable people with nowhere to turn. Imagine needing life-saving treatment, but having no way to get it. No medicine, no safe passage, no hope. In Gaza, survival often depends on escaping the conflict zone, a journey filled with risk and uncertainty. The World Health Organization steps in, identifying and evacuating the most vulnerable, children, the elderly, the critically injured, offering a lifeline when all other options are gone. Each evacuation is a race against time, a lifeline in a desperate situation, where every second can mean the difference between life and death. These are stories of resilience, families fighting for a chance to heal, refusing to give up hope even in the darkest moments. The need is urgent and profound, touching every corner of the community and demanding a global response. Evacuations are more than logistics. They're acts of profound kindness, moments of humanity in the midst of chaos. Every life saved is a declaration that every person matters, that compassion can prevail even in crisis. This is the work Prince Harry and Dr. Tedros are committed to supporting, standing with those who need it most. Their partnership brings hope where it's needed most, shining a light in the darkness and reminding us that together we can make a difference. The Archewell Foundation, created by Prince Harry and Meghan, was built for action, not just words. Their support for WHO's work in Gaza is a clear example. Archewell isn't just donating, They're investing in humanity, funding life-saving medical evacuations. Their contribution covers transport, medical staff, and care for patients in need. This partnership is rooted in a belief that where you're born shouldn't decide your fate. Archewell and WHO stand for the right to health and dignity. Their work builds a bridge from despair to hope. It's not about one project, it's about sustainable, compassionate support. Archewell's promise: to act, to care, and to help build a kinder world. If you want to go far, go together. This partnership proves it. When people unite, their collective strength can overcome even the greatest challenges. It's a reminder that real progress is made not in isolation but side by side, with shared purpose and vision. Prince Harry's Archewell Foundation and Dr. Tedros's WHO show that no one can solve global crises alone. By joining forces, they amplify their impact, reaching more people and creating lasting change. The WHO brings expertise and boots on the ground. Their teams respond quickly to emergencies, providing vital care and resources where they're needed most. Archewell brings global attention and inspiration. Their platform shines a light on urgent issues, motivating people everywhere to get involved and make a difference. Together, they create a force greater than the sum of their parts. Their collaboration is a powerful example of what's possible when organizations and individuals work together. This teamwork is the future of humanitarian work, breaking down barriers, uniting governments, non-profits, and public figures. It's about building bridges and finding common ground for the greater good. When leaders like Harry stand with organizations like WHO, it sends a message of unity. It shows the world that collaboration is not just possible, but essential. It inspires others to join in, donate, volunteer, spread the word. Every action, big or small, contributes to a wave of positive change. This collaboration is a story of hope and connection. It's proof that when we reach out to one another, we can build a brighter future. It reminds us we all have a role in making the world better. Each of us can contribute no matter where we come from or what we have. Their teamwork is a blueprint for compassionate, effective action. It's a model for others to follow, showing that together we can achieve more. When we join hands, we can move mountains. United, our efforts are multiplied, and our dreams become possible. We can bring healing, comfort, and hope. Together, we can change the world for the better. The scale of suffering can feel overwhelming, but every act of kindness matters. Each patient evacuated from Gaza is a life saved, a family restored. The ripple effect starts with one decision to help, by Archewell, by WHO, by a caring doctor. Saving one life can change a community, inspire hope, and spread compassion. Prince Harry's involvement is more than financial. It's a message of solidarity. It tells people in conflict zones they are seen and valued. This support brings comfort and strength in dark times. We are all part of one human family. When you feel helpless, remember your small act can be part of this ripple. A kind word, a donation, sharing a story, it all adds up. Together, we create a wave of hope and healing. That's the power of compassion in action. Today's meeting was more than a moment. It was a vision for the future. A future where leadership means service and compassion guides us. Prince Harry and Dr. Tedros have shown a path built on empathy and collaboration. The work in Gaza is just the beginning. This model can help crises everywhere. When we combine awareness with action, we can change lives. The only requirement: choose cooperation over division. This partnership reminds us of our capacity for kindness and unity. Every step together makes a difference. Let's be inspired to act in our own communities. The future is something we create together. With leaders like Harry and Dr. Tedros, a brighter, kinder world is within reach.